Hello friends, in this lecture we will explore HTML comments. So first of all, let's save this as HTML comments. So what are HTML comments, how we can give it, and why is it necessary? When you are doing any project, a huge project, there will be tons of lines of codes, right? Now, in that, you will be having various sections. Let me give you a good example. Say, for example, you were designing a website for your client, and it has many sections, like it will be having a header section, services section, portfolio section, like this. So, it's a good practice that when you are starting a new section, just comment it out that you are starting this section. Say for example, at first, let's delete everything here. Say for example, you are writing a new section with a section tag. So let me tell you in advance that this is a section tag. It's a HTML5 tag. For now, remember this thing only. Later we will explore more. So say for example, this is a section which is going to be services section. So what you need to do is, okay, let me delete this one also. The comment will be here. So what you need to write here, that is, you are starting a new section which is the services section. So how you can write a comment in HTML? First you need to give the less than sign, then you need to give exclamatory mark, then two dashes. See, now it has become a comment. Now you need to end this comment. Now before ending, you need to write the text first. So here you are writing the services section, and now end the comment using two dashes, and now end it by using the greater than sign. See, now it has become a comment. So this is how you can provide comments. Let me save it. It will not have any kind of visible effect. So if you open your browser and if you check it, well, this is the comments. So let's open it with Firefox. See, nothing is there because it's a comment. It's a good practice to include comments in your project. And there is another kind of comment that you can give, that is conditional comment. So how you can give a conditional comment? So it starts like same only, exclamatory mark, two dashes, then inside third bracket, right here, if IE6 end. Now start, your content goes here, then come to the next line, start, exclamatory mark, right here, end if, and then end the comment. It's the conditional comment. Let's save it and open in our browser. See, nothing happens. So that's it. So in this lecture we have seen how we can provide HTML comments. So again I'm repeating that you need to provide the less than sign, then exclamatory mark, then two dashes, then your text goes here, then again two dashes and the greater than sign. This is the normal comment and this is the conditional comment. So this file is saved. You can grab this file so that it becomes helpful for you in your future. Okay, so that's it for this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun, take care.